Hello and welcome to the Pound Trader. I will be making an analysis for Monday, the 25th of March 2024. Welcome to the channel. So starting over at the monthly time frame, this is the Pound USD. You can see here that, guys, I have still been on the sell bias for the past couple of months now. I still think that there is room for us to fill up this area here. As we can see, we still have rejection at this point. We are forming some sort of wick. 5 days till the month closes, and I do honestly think that there's potential for us to go down. We can see here, even if I put my fib retracement level, we can see that we are still rejecting at the 61.8 Fibonacci ratio level. And yeah, we're almost closing below that level. So still looking for those sells. Okay, so going over to the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, last week or 2 weeks ago, we had some movement that closed above this level that I had here. Yeah, took me out. As you all know, also here, I had my fib levels here and I was looking for rejections along this 61.8, and then we closed above, and now we're almost going back down again. Now, if you've watched my videos from, let's say, December, then you know I was hoping to take shorts from this particular candle here and then now have it drop down. But as you can see, I have been stopped out multiple times, even during the holidays. But yeah, I'm still hoping that we might have some movement and hopefully it breaks below this level before we take it down. And also, let me just return my fib level. Let me just return the fib retracement just to see something. You can see here that still price is at the 78.6% fib level, and we are still along the trend line that I had here from the bigger time frames as well. So I don't know, I'm still hoping that we can get some sell movement because this has been really hard. February and March and January has just been, my worst trading months because of the consolidations. We'll also look at, we'll take a look at the dollar to just see how it's also been affecting the pound. So this is the daily time frame here. We had this range, and then I was also hoping that, we could get movement down from this level here. But as you can see, yeah, we sort of had a retracement up again. This was some very weird price action. I have never seen anything like this. I've never seen like price go up after breaking a range and then almost spiking up again and then going down. So this was also very annoying. But if I look here, this is the previous swing point, and I do feel like we have closed below this previous swing point. And for me, that is confirmation that I would be looking for sells now, because it's almost like we've broken the range back down again. So yeah, my view anyways. I'd like to hear from you as well. Going over to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we had a drop now from the range. This is the trend line that I had, and we broke the trend line now. And we also have some rejection around this point. I don't know if it's like about to retrace from this level, maybe going up there and then going down, or might it still have like movement to the downside before like retracing up. Normally this like type of movement is tricky because I feel like there might be some action happening from over here, but in case there isn't and the level still maintains, I would like to look for a reaction at this fib level here. We can see that we have a 50% level here, and we do also have some support and resistance lines along this area as well. So for me, maybe just hoping for some rejection, maybe around at the 50%. Even the 60% isn't bad, but I feel like this level might be ideal before taking it down. Now, because I am an intraday trader, I do also look for counter trends, but only on the 4-hour time frames going up. So yeah, I'd like to see, maybe I'd like to get a buy from Baby here and then maybe go for those long-term sells. Hopefully it works out, because this has just been really frustrating. So that's probably what I'd be looking at, maybe just to go down on the 1 hour just to see things clearly. On the 1 hour, so this is Friday's low that's in a different color. This is maroon, and this is also Friday's high. Oh, is it really Friday's high? Friday's high is over here. Yeah, my bad. But yeah, maybe we can get some rejections here. Almost we have a double top-ish, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm quite skeptical, you know. But either way, I'm still looking for a retracement to around that level, and then maybe take it down. If it does break Friday's low, I'll still look for rejections maybe around this level, maybe to take a buy position, and then maybe take it down. Also, maybe just to calculate, let's see, if I was to take a buy from here, my stop loss would probably be around 30 pips because I target 30, 1:2, 60 pips, maybe something like that. If not, maybe 1:1.5, I don't know. Yeah, maybe something like that, because I'm an intraday trader. I like to look for trades possibly every day because I like to just look for one trade a day. But yeah, that's basically my analysis. That's what I'd be looking for. Yeah, that's basically it. Let me just clear it again. Sorry. So yes, so that's what I'll be looking for, rejections around this place, and then hopefully going down. I'm still on the sell side. I still hope that we can still sell. So now just taking a look at the dollar index, because this is what has been affecting, of course, like a lot of the pairs. If I just go to the weekly time frame, we can see here that we are still pushing above. We made a higher high from this level here, and if I also take my Fib retracement level, I can see that we rejected on the 50% and the 61.8% Fib level, and I do think that the dollar will be going up to also complete this move up here. That's my bias though, and hopefully this will confirm the sells that I hope to get in the pound. So this is the daily. We can see we're pushing up, rejections here, going over to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, we're pushing up now. Maybe the dollar might want to take a retracement, but I still think that maybe it might move up a bit before retracing. So I'll just have to be, I'll be watching this dollar too, just to see where it's going. But yeah, that's basically my analysis on the pound USD. Just take a look at the news at the Forex Factory calendar. Tuesday we have some USD news, 5 p.m. East African time. I'm based in Kenya. Thursday we have some USD news, 1 a.m., 3:30, 5 p.m. And Friday we have some USD news as well, 3:30 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. Last week there was a lot of news that I think affected the dollar as well. But I guess, yeah, we'll just have to see what happens. So that's my analysis. I hope I was informative. It's slightly long today, but yeah, I've been a bit inactive. Please subscribe to the channel, road to 200 subscribers. I'll really appreciate your feedback. And also just comment down below on what you think will be happening on the pound USD. Have an amazing week. Stay tuned for more videos and more analysis throughout the week. Bye-bye.